Now description of the perpendicular plate. This plate has two surfaces and four borders. This is nasal surface, which is situated on the medial side. This is maxillary surface. This is situated on the lateral side. This is the anterior border. This one is posterior border. This is the superior border, and this is the inferior border. Now, nasal surface. This surface forms the posterior part of the lateral wall of the nasal cavity. In this surface, you see there are two horizontal bony ridges. Above it is known as ethmoidal crest, below it is known as conchal crest. This conchal crest articulates with the posterior part of the superior border of the infranasal concha. The area below the conchal crest, it is depressed and it forms the posterior part of the lateral wall of the inferior meatus of the nose. And this ethmoidal crest articulates with the posterior part of lower margin of median nasal concha. The area between the ethmoidal crest and conchal crest to form the posterior part of the lateral wall of the inferior meatus of the nose. The area above the ethmoidal crest, it is marked by the superior meatus of the nose. Now come to the lateral surface. This is also known as maxillary surface. This surface is divided into three parts. First, this is inferior part, this is intermediate part, and this is posterior superior part. This intermediate part and major part that articulates with the nasal surface of body of maxilla behind the maxillary hiatus. And it bears an oblique groove that joins with the similar groove on the medial surface of the maxilla to form a bony canal that is known as greater palatine canal for the passage of greater palatine vessels and nerves. This posterior superior part is smooth. It forms the medial wall of the pterygopalatine fossa. This anterior inferior part, it is also smooth. It overlaps the maxillary hiatus from behind and forms the medial wall of the maxillary sinus. Now come to the border. This is the anterior border. It is projected downward and forward, and it ends as a process that is known as maxillary process. That articulates with the medial surface of the maxilla and also articulates with the maxillary process of infranasal concha. This is the posterior border that articulates with the anterior border of the medial pterygoid plate. And you see this border, it is continuous above with the sphenoidal process. This is the sphenoidal process, and when this posterior border goes below, it ends as a process that is known as pyramidal process. This is known as pyramidal process. Now come to the superior border. This is the superior border. You see here two processes is present. This one is orbital process that is projected upward and laterally from the superior border, and another process that is known as sphenoidal process that is projected upward and medially. And these two processes is separated by a notch. This is the notch. This is called sphenopalatine notch, and this notch is converted into a sphenopalatine foramen by articulation with the inferior surface of the body of the sphenoid. That foramen connects the This foramen connects the tegiopalatine fossa with the posterior part of the superior metals of the nose, and it gives passage to the sphenopalatine vessels and posterior superior nasal nerve. And this is the inferior border of the appendicular plate of palatine bone, and it is continuous with the horizontal plate of the palatine bone.